Open the glove box. Push in on the two tabs at the top to lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. To reinstall the housing door, hook the right side into its catch, then reclip the tabs. Raise the glove box and push in on the two tabs at the top to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.